Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by connecting the Xbox controller to your PC, use USB for the simplest path, or pair over Bluetooth for wireless play. Once connected, open Rpcs3 and confirm you're running the latest build so plugin compatibility is current. Make sure libusb or the Xbox driver is installed. This lets the emulator see the device correctly. If you plan to use multiple controllers, enable HID Guardian to avoid input conflicts, but don't enable it unless needed since it adds complexity. Now configure Rpcs3 input. Open Config, go to Pads, and choose the appropriate pad type. If a game expects DualShock, emulate it or map as an X input pad for native Xbox bindings. Use Quick Setup to auto-map most buttons, then manually assign sticks, triggers, and D-pad to match the PlayStation layout. Adjust dead zones and sensitivity to prevent drift. Small values like 0, 050, 1 are common. Save the profile and use the Test Pad feature to verify every control responds before launching a game. Finish by launching your game and confirming inputs function as expected. If buttons are misaligned, adjust mappings in Rpcs3 or use an in-game remap. If the controller doesn't register, make sure the cable is good, Bluetooth is paired properly, and the correct driver is active. Once done, try running Rpcs3 as administrator, reinstalling the Xbox driver, or using an X input wrapper to translate inputs. One key troubleshooting tip: test the controller in Windows game controllers to isolate hardware versus emulator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.